Hey, and welcome to the official SmartKid YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, click the like and subscribe buttons below. In this lesson, we will learn to write numbers as words. You can write numbers in digits or words. Let's write the one or single-digit numbers and their words. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. This is how all the single-digit numbers are written as words. Two-digit numbers. We will first learn the special 10 to 12, then the teens and proceed to the rest. Are you ready? Let's do 10 to 12. 10, 11, and 12. Brilliant. Two-digit numbers are made of tens and ones. The numbers from 10 to 19 have 1, 10. There is a pattern in the numbers from 13 to 19. They all end with teen, which means 10. These are teen numbers. Teen numbers are different because the teen sound comes after the ones sound. Great! Let's write the teens as words. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Well done. The remaining two-digit numbers follow a pattern of the word for the tens, followed by that of the ones. The different numbers of tens have different words. They are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. Excellent. To write the other two-digit numbers, write down the tens bit as words, then the ones. Example. Write this number as words. Are you ready? Let's go. We write the tens bit first, which is 30, and then the ones bit 4. So, it is 34. Amazing! Three-digit numbers. Three-digit numbers have hundreds as well. We write the hundreds first, then the two digits after it. Example. Write this number as words. Are you ready? Let's go. We write the hundreds bit first, which is 300 and then the two-digit number 57. So, it is 357. Well done. The hundreds and the two-digit number is always separated by and always say or write 100, not hundreds. Let's do some practice activities. Write the following numbers as words. Do it all by yourself before we do it together. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Great, let's go. The first number is 66. The second number is 128. The third number is 37. The fourth number is 8. And the fifth number is 893. Well done! If you had any of them wrong, refer to the relevant part of the video to master it. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. As always, thanks for watching.